Welcome to Just for Kids channel. Today we are going to see the topic of preschool kid box. In this box contains a 4 flash books and 4 activity flashcards. Later I post a separate videos for each flash books and how to use the flashcards activities. First we see about the alphabets book. In this alphabets books, first teach the flash book thoroughly and then you make activity flashcards. In this activity flashcards, what is the children's, what picture it is? It is a goat. What the goat doing? The goat playing a guitar. And then next pictures contains the cat. What is the cat doing? The cat bakes the cake. What shape it is? It is diamond shape. And then the flashcards comes. The numbers flashcards. What is this number, children? It is a 9. With this, they have given a balloons. How many balloons are there? Count it. Count from 1 to 10 or that's the correct answer. Do you like this video? Don't forget to subscribe.